90-second pre-competitive skill test. In an address on Wednesday, the PTI chairman linked the surge in terror incidents across Pakistan with his removal from power and held the incumbent PDM government responsible for derailing the peace process. Full stop. When the Afghan war ended, Pakistani tribal fighters wanted to come back, he said, adding all stakeholders including local leaders has been taken on board regarding their resettlement in country. Full stop. He does not conceive development expenditures outside the approved budget in a financial year. Full stop. He observed that on a maturity of elected representatives term, the next elected local government must be constituted without a break, which is the spirit scheme of Act of 2022, in consonance with the command by Article 140A of the Constitution. Full stop. New paragraph. The country is locked in negotiations with the International Monetary Fund IMF to release much needed money under a stalled bailout program. Full stop. A successful outcome with the IMF would also help to release money from other platforms that are looking for a green light from the lender. Full stop. However, while media thundered about staggeringly high levels of inflation and alarmingly low levels of reserves, and analysts evaluated an infinitely large number of scenarios that would lead to a default, no one from the economists ever explained what a default meant and what would have happened to the economy if it took place. Full stop. The PTI government had two options: either to kill or reach an agreement and allow them to settle in the province. Full stop. New paragraph. These returning fighters had many issues that needed to be resolved for peace, he said, adding that the process was ongoing when the infamous regime change operation removed him. Full stop. They were completely clueless on how to deal with the resettlement issues and left the problem to fester, he claimed. Full stop. Now situation has taken us a tragic turn as shown by the Peshawar bombing, which claimed 101 lives and injured more than 200. Full stop. Nawaz Sharif had decided to convenes the multi-party moot last week in a move that was seen as significant development amid temperatures. Full stop. Justice Khan approved through budget and released in accordance with law, can be expended to maintain continuity by the administrators. Full stop.